Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Goa. Here there is admission for this is information only for PhD full time. Here you can see that applications are invited for admission to PhD program for academic year 2021-22 starting from September 2021. Candidate from reserved category resident of Jammu and Kashmir and women are encouraged to apply. First, what are the important eligibility criteria? Means what are the minimum eligibility criteria? First, for engineering stream. For general candidate, if you have master degree in engineering or technology or equivalent degree with minimum 60% marks or 6 point on 10-point scale, then you can apply for this. Or if you have BTech or MSc in engineering or technology or equivalent degree with minimum 70% marks in aggregate or minimum 7 point CGPA on corresponding proportional requirement and the skills are other than 10. Additional requirement are listed in annexure 1 below. Okay, later we will see. This is for general category. For SC/ST, there is a relaxation of 5% or 0.5, which means that if you have master degree in engineering or technology or equivalent degree with minimum 55% marks, then you can apply for this PhD program. And if you have BTech or MSc in engineering or technology or equivalent degree with 65% marks in aggregate or a minimum of 6.5 on 10 on a scale of 10 or equivalent 6.5 on other corresponding proportional requirement when the skills are other than 10. In this also there is additional requirement which is listed in annexure 1. And the third one, for IIT BTech and MTech degree holders, if you have qualified your BTech or MTech degree from IIT with CGPA 8 on a scale of 10 and above, may be admitted to PhD program under teaching assistantship or TAP position through written test and or interview. General eligibility criteria for science stream, same for general 60% marks for master degree in science or equivalent degree or minimum 6 point CGPA on a scale of 10 or equivalent to 6 on other corresponding proportional requirement when the skills are other than 10. For SC/ST candidate, if you have master degree with 55% marks in science or equivalent degree, then you can apply. And or in the scale of point, if you have 5.5 on a scale of 10 or equivalent to 5.5 on other corresponding proportional requirement when the skills are other than 10. In this annexure 1, they have mentioned candidate eligible in section 1.1, 1.1, 1.12, 1.1, 1.1.2 and 1.2, 1.2, which one? This one. Must fulfill one of the following additional requirement. Means if you have cleared GATE in relevant discipline, mandatory for applying to PhD program in the School of Electrical Sciences. Or if you have qualified for JRF of CSIR or UGC, NVHM, DBT, ICAR, ICMR, ICPR, DST, Inspire Fellowship in relevant streams. 1 point additional requirement. Or if you have minimum of 2 years of professional experience acquired after obtaining the final degree and completed before the starting of the semester in which admission is sought in the relevant areas. This criteria is only applicable for 1.1.2 and 1.1.22. 1.1.2 which one for SC/ST and 1.1.22, 1.1.2, 1.1.2 2 means this one for BTech holders. This is annexure 1. And what are the area of specialization? You can see for a school of chemical and material sciences, there are a lot of research areas for chemistry like time resolved spectroscopy, physical chemistry, theoretical biophysical chemistry and statistical mechanics. Please note, teaching assistant category is available for OBC, SC/ST category and only open for experimental and theoretical physical chemistry. However, School of Chemical and Material Sciences has opening under JRF category in all above mentioned research area and is open to all categories. For material engineering, the areas are colloids and particles, nanomaterial, nanotech, and nanomechanics. For a School of Electrical Sciences, communication and signal processing. This is only for SCST category. Next, signal image processing, computational imaging, wireless communication, error correcting code. For a School of Mathematics and Computer Sciences, in Computer Science and Engineering, the two areas computational complexity theory, formal verification, fault localization, program repair, and in mathematics operator theory, numerical analysis, and partial differential equation. In a School of Mechanical Sciences also there are a lot of areas. You can choose one your what you have interest. In a School of Physical Science, they have only for general category statistical physics and theoretical biological physics. This is the schedule of PhD admission, the schedule for written exam, and it will be informed to the shortlisted candidate via email. Means till now they have not given any dates. General instruction, that is you have to apply only online. The no downloadable forms are available. Fees for a female candidate 50, for a CST PWD candidate 50, and all other candidate you have to pay 100. This is the account number they have given. You have to pay in this account, and maybe you have to submit the scanned copy of that receipt during online application form. This is the whole process how you have to apply. They have given online application portal. I will provide you the link, and through that you apply. So that's all about today. So if you your friends anyone wants to apply for PhD, then must share with them. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe as soon as possible. Thank you.